Umbutho ANC uphulukene nesininzi sawo kwibhunga lomasipala waseThekwini kwiphondo laKwaZulu-Natal. Kolunyulo lorhulumente basemakhaya i-ANC ifumene ivoti ezikumyinge ka-42% kulo masipala. Okuthetha ukuba lo mbutho ufumene izihlalo eziyi-96 ze kulandele i-DA ngezihlalo eziyi-58, i-FF inezihlalo eziyi-24, IFP inezihlalo eziyi-16, umbutho e-Action SA ufumene izihlalo ezine, amanye amaqela amancinci anezihlalo ezingamashumi-28 xa ewonke.
This is the comparison of seats versus candidates that were contesting these elections. For what candidates? We had 901 seats that were up for grabs. We had 14,092 candidates that were contesting, and we have 13,191 candidates that were not so lucky. On the PR side, both in terms of the local municipality as well as district municipalities, we had a total of 994 seats that were up for grabs. We had 7,358 candidates, and we are going to have 6,364 candidates that are not going to be happy. So that's the total of the seats that we have against the candidates that were contesting, and the variance is 19,555. What has been good so far since Monday is that there is a general level of acceptance of the results, particularly at what level. We do have incidents where we have had to relook at the results in some of the wards, but fortunately we have a party liaison committee where there is anything that doesn't make sense in the results. We are able to reconcile those results together until they make sense for all of us.